Discover lemon balm, natural remedies, culinary uses, and growing advice. Discover the amazing benefits of lemon balm, a versatile herb known for its calming effects, digestive support, and antiviral properties. Learn how to grow and cultivate lemon balm easily in your garden. Explore its popular culinary and medicinal uses, and find important safety tips for using it effectively. Whether you're seeking natural ways to reduce stress, improve sleep, or enhance your recipes, this comprehensive guide has everything you need to know about lemon balm. Natural remedies. Lemon balm, Melissa Officinalis, is a versatile herb known for its calming properties and a range of potential health benefits. One of its most recognized effects is reducing stress and anxiety. Studies suggest that lemon balm can promote relaxation and improve mood, likely due to its influence on neurotransmitters such as GABA and serotonin, which help regulate feelings of calmness and well-being. This calming effect also makes lemon balm a popular natural remedy for mild depression and mood disturbances, although it is not a replacement for professional treatment in severe cases. Sleep improvement is another notable benefit of lemon balm. Research shows that when used alone or in combination with other calming herbs like valerian or chamomile, lemon balm can help alleviate insomnia and promote better sleep quality. Its gentle sedative properties make it a common ingredient in herbal teas designed for relaxation and restful sleep. Digestive health may also be supported by lemon balm. The herb contains compounds that can relieve gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating and indigestion, and may have antispasmodic effects that help relax muscles in the digestive tract. Additionally, lemon balm's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to gut health by reducing inflammation and protecting gut cells from oxidative stress. There is also evidence that lemon balm can positively influence gut microbiota, promoting a healthier balance of beneficial bacteria. Lemon balm has demonstrated antiviral and antibacterial activity, particularly against the herpes simplex virus responsible for cold sores. Topical ointments containing lemon balm extract may help speed up healing and reduce symptoms of cold sores. Some studies also suggest it can inhibit the growth of other viruses and bacteria, supporting its traditional use in treating minor infections. For women, lemon balm may offer relief from menstrual discomfort. Compounds such as rosmarinic acid in lemon balm have been shown to reduce the severity of menstrual symptoms like cramps and fatigue, making it a useful herb for managing premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Cognitive benefits have also been observed, with some studies indicating that lemon balm can improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. While much of this research is preliminary or based on animal studies, there is promise that lemon balm may support brain health and protect against cognitive decline. Finally, lemon balm may support cardiovascular health. Some research suggests it can help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, although more human studies are needed to confirm these effects. Overall, lemon balm is valued for its calming, digestive, antiviral, and potential cognitive and cardiovascular benefits. Culinary uses. Lemon balm is a wonderfully versatile herb that finds many uses in the kitchen and beyond. One of the most popular ways to enjoy lemon balm is as a soothing herbal tea. Fresh or dried leaves are steeped in hot water to create a fragrant, calming beverage often consumed to promote relaxation and better sleep. Beyond tea, lemon balm's bright, citrusy flavor makes it a delightful addition to desserts such as lemon tea cookies and lemon poppy seed loaves, where it adds a gentle lemony tang without overpowering sweetness. In cooking, lemon balm can be used much like lemon zest to impart a fresh, lemony aroma to dishes. It works beautifully in salads, both fruit and vegetable-based, where the torn leaves add a refreshing note. It also shines in vinaigrettes and marinades, lending a subtle citrus flavor that elevates dressings and sauces. Lemon balm pairs well with seafood and poultry, often used as a garnish or cooked into dishes like roasted chicken or potatoes to enhance their flavor with a bright, herbal lift. Creative cooks also use lemon balm in pestos, blending it with nuts, garlic, cheese, and olive oil to create a vibrant sauce perfect for pasta or as a spread on bread topped with cheeses, such as camembert or cheddar. It can be incorporated into soups and sauces as a substitute for lemon peel, adding complexity and freshness. Some even make lemon balm syrup to flavor drinks like lemonade, sparkling water, or cocktails, capturing its essence in a sweet, versatile liquid. Beyond culinary uses, lemon balm's pleasant scent makes it popular in homemade candles, soaps, and other aromatherapy products, where its calming oils contribute to emotional well-being. In the kitchen, it can also be added to sugar jars to infuse baked goods with a subtle lemon flavor or tossed into herb butters for a fragrant spread. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. Growing advice. Lemon balm is a resilient and easy-to-grow herb that thrives in a variety of garden settings, making it a favorite among both novice and experienced gardeners. To start, you can grow lemon balm from seeds, cuttings, or by dividing mature plants. Seeds should be sown indoors in early spring, about 4 to 6 weeks before the last expected frost, or directly outdoors once all danger of frost is past. The seeds require light to germinate, so they should only be lightly pressed into the soil rather than buried. Seedlings typically emerge within 2 to 3 weeks, and once they're large enough to handle, they can be transplanted outdoors. Choosing the right location is important for healthy growth. Lemon balm prefers a spot with full sun to partial shade, especially in hotter climates where some afternoon shade can protect the plant from intense heat. The soil should be well drained and fertile, ideally enriched with compost or other organic matter. While lemon balm tolerates a range of soil types, it does best in soil with a pH between 6.5 and 7.0. If your garden soil is heavy or clay-like, amending it with sand and compost will improve drainage and support root health. When planting, space lemon balm plants about 18 to 24 inches apart to allow them room to spread, as they can form large, bushy clumps over time. If you're short on garden space or want to contain its growth, lemon balm also does well in large pots or containers filled with quality soil-based compost. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, but be careful not to overwater, as soggy soil can lead to root rot. Feeding with a water-soluble plant food can help maximize leaf production throughout the growing season. Lemon balm is a perennial, meaning it will return year after year. To keep your plants vigorous, cut them back after flowering, which encourages a fresh flush of leaves and helps prevent unwanted self-seeding. Every few years, dividing congested clumps in autumn will rejuvenate the plants and give you new starts to expand your herb garden. If growing in pots, protect them from excessive winter moisture by moving them to a sheltered spot and raising the pots to ensure good drainage. Harvesting can begin once the plant reaches about 6 to 8 inches tall. You can pick leaves throughout the growing season, but avoid removing more than a third of the plant at once to allow for continued healthy growth. With just a bit of care, lemon balm will reward you with lush, fragrant leaves perfect for culinary and medicinal uses all season long. While lemon balm is a gentle and widely used herb with many potential benefits, it's important to approach its use thoughtfully. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal remedy, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medication. This ensures that lemon balm will be both safe and effective for your individual needs.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this.